Hello everyone, in this video I will explain you indirect cost. Indirect costs are also known as overheads. Indirect cost is the opposite to the direct cost. As a direct cost can easily be traced into the production unit, but indirect cost is a cost that cannot be clearly traced to the production of any single unit produced, whether it's a good or a service. Indirect cost or overhead refer to ongoing business expenses, but they are not directly attributed to creating a product or a service. Let's take an example of a shoe manufacturer here. It is easier to calculate the electricity expense of the whole manufacturing unit where the shoes are being manufactured, but it is nearly impossible to identify how much electricity was consumed on a specific shoe. So, the rent and the lighting costs can be associated with all the business divisions rather than being directly linked to the output of a particular product. Some other prominent examples of overhead expenses are legal and administrative expenses, advertising, staff salaries, insurance expense, security, electricity, and utility bills. Indirect costs can be referred to as a fixed cost because they do not directly relate to the level of output. However, unlike the fixed costs, the indirect costs are not easily identifiable with the particular business activity. Such as we can easily identify the fixed cost of machinery, but as we discussed just now, that we cannot identify the electricity consumption on a specific unit produced. This was my definition and explanation of indirect cost. See you tomorrow.